Hi, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another Scraps to Embellishment video. This week's theme is May the Force be with you. So anything Star Wars or space themed. So, by the way, happy Star Wars Day and happy National Scrapbook Day. So, since it is National Scrapbook Day, I could not resist working it in somehow, since it fell on May the 4th, for May the 4th be with you. So, I am actually, when you're watching this, will be at a day crop, and it is not Star Wars themed. Kind of a missed opportunity, in my opinion. But I wanted to work it into my swap. Now, normally I try to make something that's very general that a broad range of people can use, not put dates on it, all those things. But I'm making an exception this time. Because, like I said, Star Wars Day and National Scrapbook Day don't match up very often. So I wanted to work it together. So I had little baby Yoda holding a little piece of notebook paper and a pair of scissors. Now, I also did something different to create this. I made it on my Cricut, but I used the print then cut. But then I didn't use the cut part. I just used the print and then I fussy cut everything. It just made it easier for me, in my opinion. Okay. But I like fussy cut. So, I'm not real experienced with the print then cut. And apparently whenever you switch files over to the print then cut feature, it washes out the colors. And I don't know why. I don't exactly know how to fix it. Like I said, I'm not real good with, print then cut. I haven't used it but probably 3 or 4 times in all the years that I've had a Cricut. So it might take a little more looking into to work out the kinks. But I'm just going to take my Distress Oxide Black Soot and just very lightly ink around everything, because you have to keep it flat for the mini swaps. But since I use print then cut, it also looks very flat in general. And it's probably washed out even more on the camera than it is in real life, color-wise. But I just wanted to ink everything up to just help add a little bit of dimension to it. Like, it completely washed out the scissors. It almost makes me want to take an ink pen and go in and fix them, but I'm afraid I would probably mess it up more than I would actually help it. And like I said, I'm just very lightly inking. This one is super, super simple. Okay, and I did print everything on heavy cardstock so that it would hold up. So, if you end up getting this, I hope you guys enjoy it and can make use of it. I'm only going to be on one team this go round because I am a Star Wars fan, but I don't need a ton of Star Wars or space embellishments because I just don't have a use for it. So I'm just going to be on one team this go round. And I'm actually going to use a little bit of foam just to pop it up. It's not super thick or anything, so it's okay. It still falls under the fairly flat category. But either way, I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you would like a chance to win one of these all you have to do is leave me a comment below. I will draw at the end of the month. I will post a link to what everyone, the playlist for what everyone else is doing below. It'll be interesting to see what they come up with for Star Wars in space. Some of the examples already posted is super, super cute. So, let's see if I can show you up a little bit closer. So, have NSD and then 2024 there. But like I said, see how it washes out the scissors? Like it was kind of detailed and so was the paper. But like as soon as I hit the print and then cut feature, it like washes out all the colors. So I'm not sure. But it's something to play around with, but it is something different. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And until next time, bye y'all.